Hello, my name is Hanson Nguyen, and I am one of the developers for Snackability Mobile App 6.0 and Snackability Web App 1.0. Our team was given the responsibility of working on both maintenance and updating of the mobile app and the development of a new web app. Due to complications with code and packages being outdated and deprecated on the mobile application, we were not able to directly copy and paste the code base and even change certain aspects to improve future performance, such as going from MySQL to MongoDB. Overall, the full stack frameworks still include Express, Node, and React. Thus, some members of our team were given the responsibility of developing a web application from scratch using the mobile application as influence. I will now be showing the Snackability web application, which is still in early development. This is our current homepage for Snackability web app. Welcome to Snackability. It includes our mission, being the goal of the Snackability app is to help you identify healthy snacks or unhealthy snacks by providing a score from 0 being not healthy to 10 being very healthy for each snack selected in our app. We then have our project management, which includes Professor Palacios, our product owner, and Lucomo, who is a research student. We will now head to the snack list page. Snack list page, which is just a display for all snacks in our local database. You can scroll through them to view the current available and existing snacks in our local database. I keep mentioning local database due to the fact that eventually we do want to connect to a bigger USDA database for even more variants in snacks. Each of the snack has its snack name, product, short name, serving size, calories, fat, saturated fat, trans fat, sodium, sugar, first ingredient, and process, which are important information for later functions to be shown. We will now look at the search page. The search page is similar to the snack list in terms of showing a table, but this time it has a search form for querying the database. The user is able to type certain strings to find their snack, which includes typing for a brand or even the product name. If we type Doritos, we will return all known Doritos snacks in our local database, which as you can see includes 7 snacks. If we were to type something like chips, it will return all known products with chips in their names. So it doesn't have to be chips in the snack name, it can be chips in the product name. The table displays the same type of information as the previous snack list does. This time we are given the opportunity to click a calculate button to calculate a score. Let's try Lay's. Here we are on the snack score page, where the user is able to input their portion size and are given a score accordingly once they click the calculate button. We can see the snack's name and recommended serving size on the top left. We can then see the calculate form on the right. Let's try inputting the recommended serving size, 28. As you can see, we are given a score of 4.5, and there is a score breakdown table showing what categories are given what score to add up to that 4.5. Total calories has 0.5, saturated fat has 0.5, trans fat has 1, sodium has 0.5, sugar has 2. This just indicates how healthy their values are compared to the max score. Thank you.
Thank you, Hanson, for presenting the web app. So like Hanson mentioned and like we had mentioned before, the app was outdated last semester. So last semester and this semester was more focused on getting it back on track and trying to get it to the state that it was in SDK 35. Here you can see that it's in SDK 37, which is what we upgraded to last semester. So now we're going to click on Snackability and we're going to go to the sign-in screen. Once here, you can either sign in through email, Facebook, or Google, or sign up via email as well. I have a normal email, so I'm signing in with that. And here I'll input my password as well and sign in. So now here we're at the home screen. We have a few things that we can take a look at here. So at the top, there's a bar that's basically our level bar. Here we can tell where we are and how much leveling we've gained based on how many snacks we eaten. And you can tell by seeing a green bar that will show up once you eat a snack. And it accumulates over time to show you to your next level. We also keep track of apples here. Apples are gained by eating snacks that are good for you. A snack that's worth 11 points will get you a golden apple. A snack that's worth between 11 and 8 points is worth 1 red apple. 10 red apples will give you 1 golden apple. So the blue button right here, you can tell the arrow is blue. So if you click on that, it'll actually give you 1 more golden apple, like so. We can also take a look at our achievements by clicking Achievements. Here they show all of our statistics, including how many apples we've eaten in total. The bar graph here shows a stat of each day that you ate your food, and it gives you the average of the foods you've eaten. Orange is not so good, green is perfect, and red is not good at all. And over here you can see I have 11 points here, but 7 points here, so it gets the average. If we scroll down, we also get to see our recent snacks, which are snacks that you most recently ate. If you click on the button at the bottom, you can even see all the snacks that you've eaten so far. Now that we've clicked on search, we can look for a snack. So let's say I want to look for an orange, right? I'll type in orange and I get a list. I pick one and I put in the portion that I ate, and that'll calculate, gives me a breakdown score, and then I can consume it. And since the snack had a score of 11, now I have 1 more golden apple. Now if I had a snack that I don't know the name of, I could actually use the barcode scanner. See, if I get the barcode scanner and I get a snack, I search it up and it shows up. I can put in the portion size, calculate it, and this way I don't have to type in any names or anything. I just get it, calculate it, and I get my information. Now we get our score, which is not very good, but here we see our breakdown score. We can analyze whether we want to eat this or not, or if we already ate it. We see what we ate, then we click consume. If we go back to the home menu, it'll be there in our recent snacks. So if we go back, scroll down, we'll see wild blueberry muffin. But let's say I didn't mean to click consume. I can hold wild blueberries muffins portion and click delete, and then it won't be there anymore. Another thing that we can take a look at is the bar at the top. Because of the snacks that we consumed, we actually get to see that our green bar has actually moved forward. Now if we go to the bottom, we can click on our settings tab. Here we can click on About Us to see the information of everybody that's currently working or has worked on the application itself. If we go back and we click Add Snack, we actually get to see a form that allows users to fill it in and suggest new snacks to add to our local database. Then the Give Feedback button is not yet functional, but we plan to add a functionality that allows users to message us separately. If we click Clear Search, you actually see that our searches have been cleared. And if we go back and click on allergies, we can actually tell the app, hey, I have this allergy, so let's say I have dairy, soy, and shellfish. I can update those restrictions and boom, it's set. I can also remove them and they won't be applied. And then admin, it just shows a little bit more information. And now if we go back, we can actually log out, and that's it. Thank you so much for taking a look at our app Snackability 6.0.